Someone is talking about you, but they don't know who is protecting you. Batuk Bhairava knows everything because he is the fierce raw manifestation of Lord Shiva. He rules Kal, time, our subconsciousness, and the cosmic justice. That is why he knows the truth in the situation, and that is why he's protecting you, defending you in this situation. And let me tell you, you guys who clicked on this video, you guys are sensitive people. Whenever you hear something about yourself that is not true, you guys get deeply affected. Even though you portray as someone who don't get affected by these fake rumors or these false truth or accusations, but still somewhere deep inside you feel bad, you feel that this is unfair. And Batuk Bhairava, they know everything. And let me tell you guys must be people who really don't want to do anything negative to others knowingly, while you meet people who will knowingly disturb your peaceful life, who will naturally create chaos in your life. And if you don't give them access to your life, they will just create rumors or they will just talk bad behind your back. And this is like literally so annoying, but you guys are the people who believes in that, like, do good karma and you will also get good karma. But in your life, things must have been really delayed. Like, you must have seen people doing bad things and still getting ahead in their life, while you doing good things and still feeling like stuck in your life. And this is where I don't know why I said Kal Bhairava, but maybe Kal Bhairava, Batuk Bhairava, the Bhairava's energy is here. So Batuk Bhairava's energy is here for you, to support you, to guide you in this situation. And I am hearing recently you must have talked about something about this historic place, or a place that has seen many years, many people, many emotions, like very historic, about something historic about this place. And this is like a sign that this message is for you. It could appear on your social media, some kind of historic place. And let me tell you, the people who are talking behind your back, these are the people who are really negative about their own life, but they still criticize you because you guys are making decisions constantly for your own progress, while they are being stuck in their own negativity. And that is why they don't want to see you doing things that they can't even help themselves with. And let me tell you, all these things that are speaking behind about you, which are like literally false, these are not going unnoticed, because my guides are saying that Batuk Bhairava is the one who provide, divine justice in every situation. So whatever situation that you are facing, where you are literally exhausted with the people who constantly interfere in your life without you needing their suggestions, without you needing their preferences, they constantly, just stick their nose to your situations. And I am here to tell you that Batuk Bhairava's energy is really present in this message, because whoever clicked on this video, and I just heard the horn behind me, whoever clicked on this video, you guys are meant to do very higher things in your life, and that is why you are facing delays right now. If you could do this, please do this. You could literally feed stray dogs on Saturday. Saturday is also the day of Saturn, so if you would feed dogs, that will be really good for you. So the message I was getting is that some people literally don't like your guts, and this is what I'm hearing. Sorry if this is blunt, but this is the reality. Some people don't like your guts. Some people have noticed that recently the polite filter in your communication has been reduced, and you have been speaking truth, you have been speaking facts on the faces of people who don't want to hear those things about them, and that is what bothering them the most. Like, they are not liking your audacity, they are not liking the change in your personality, that you are putting the truth out, you are just not people pleasing anymore. And Bhairava's energy rules throat chakra, let me tell you. This is all happening because Bhairava is saying you don't need to no longer tolerate this bullshit anymore. And I am listening that recently you guys must have been feeling exhausted by your own people pleasing tendency, and you have been just giving back the replies in the way it should be. Like, you are not taking anymore the things that you used to, like anymore the shit you used to, that people were throwing at you. You have enhanced your communication style, you have just enhanced your boundaries in a way in which people are getting intimidated by your presence itself. And let me pull just some cards, because I am just literally connecting to Bhairava's energy right now in this message. Guys, what I said that you will visit some kind of historic place, or you will talk about some historic place, or you must have you know you must have been thinking about visiting a historic place. And look what I got. In a temple, this is looking like a very ancient temple. Devotion, tune into the portal of your heart. What I told you, you guys are no longer the same people that you used to in the past. You guys have been giving the same energy that people are giving to you. Like, you are no longer taking all the burden of being the nicest person in the room while other people are being mean to you, rude to you, and you still have to portray yourself to be nice person just to being afraid to be the bad person in the room. You guys have learned by yourself, by being in this warrior mode, that no one is going to come to save you, that you are the only person that could save you from these kind of things. You have seen people's double standards, you have seen people like changing their true colors. And what I'm hearing is that you guys have been through so much that you will no longer take bullshit from anyone. Like, you will hear some people saying that you have turned into this cold hearted person, but that's not you being cold hearted, that's your survival mode screaming that you need to protect yourself from people whom you can't trust. Like, your own intuition has been telling you that these people are not for the trust, that these people are different on your face and different when they are not in front of you, like they have double standards. You guys must be seeing black dogs, predatory birds, black birds, crows. That is a big sign for you that Batuk Bhairava's energy is near you. I'm just listening that whenever you feel like that things are getting out of control, you could confide in the energy of Batuk Bhairava. Like, you could literally call for their energy, and their energy is the only thing that could like heal that inner child inside of you that feels like it couldn't trust on anyone. Like, your inner child doesn't feel safe, and it is for a reason, because people have shown their true colors to you. So it is not easy for you to trust anyone, so you could literally, call upon Bhairava's energy, and they will help you throughout this journey. Because let me tell you, Kal Bhairava's journey, or whenever anyone, just meditate on their energy or just call upon their energy, it is a lonely path. I am telling you this because I have been connected to Bhairava's energy. He's the reason why I'm sitting here and doing all of this. So my journey has a very special, you know role of guidance from Lord Bhairava. So I can tell this that the journey will be very lonely in the start, but it will go further into contentment. Like, you will receive so much contentment in yourself, where you will no longer be needing false company, false people, and false praises. You will know that what is your true worth, and you will act accordingly. And this is what happening in your life, guys. This is saying wait, postpone, pause, say no. And you can see disruption happening. This is the disruption mode, guys. So anything that is based on any false foundation will crack under pressure. And this is what happening. People true colors will come out under pressure when they don't have the energy to perform in front of you anymore, so they will show you their true colors. But that is the exact time that you need to confide into Bhairava's energy, because he's the mentor in your life. He's ruling your subconscious mind. He will like literally guide you towards the path that is meant for you, to the people who are meant for you, who are not just here to, you know make you develop some trust issues inside of you. People who will enter in your life, they will teach you how to trust yourself and others around you, how to feel safe around people. Also, I am seeing a place in mountain. Something about that, you must be thinking about traveling to there. You must see it in your dreams, a place in the mountain. I'm seeing the hilly roads, the turns in the hilly roads. So something about that specifically. Answer the call. What is your soul calling you to do? And I just saw the hills here, the mountains, and also the fountain. And let me tell you guys something specific. You guys must be feeling extra emotional, or the opposite, very closed off. Like there is no balance between. Sometimes you get very closed off, and sometimes you get too emotional, too sensitive, and the balance is coming for you. Maybe that is why everything that these people are talking about you makes you deeply affected, because you guys are someone who is very literally kind to others, and you will not do the same which they are doing to you. Yes, you could, like, you could develop some strong boundaries, but you will not intentionally do wrong for others. But when it comes to you, you think that people are being unfair. Something about crystals, something about, guys, what I am hearing right now, if you are seeing 111, 333, or any repeated number on clock at the random time, this is a big sign for you. Another thing is that you could do a protection ritual for yourself from not absorbing all these negativity. What you could do is simply take black cotton thread and close your eyes. Just imagine that you are cutting all the cords from all these people and cutting all the cords from the negativity in your life, and you could tie that black thread on your right wrist or your left ankle, calling upon the Bhairava's energy. What else you could do is just listen or chant Kal Bhairava Ashtakam. That will be major thing for you. It will call upon his protection majorly, like literally it will call upon his protection directly. And what I'm hearing is that if suddenly your plants die out of nowhere, just know that you need to cleanse your aura, your home's energy, and there is a lot of negativity around you. So make sure that you clean your home energy too, because I'm seeing someone home. I I am seeing a place and home. So something about fish. If your fish die, if your plants die, that is a big indication for you. Oops. What is this? Align your life. What is not aligned or needs to change? Okay, guys, the truth is that whatever friendships or relationships that you guys are attracting in your life, they are all happening because you have been connected to toxic people through cord, energy cord, and you need to cut that cord right now. You could do literally cord cutting ritual, because I am just seeing the cord. You need to cut that cord to remove all the negativity. You must be connected to toxic people through your exes, to random people whom you have been in friendship with or just related to with, and their energy is affecting you because there is cord that is joining you two together energetically. So you need to do that. That is what you need to change. And oh my god, oh my god, I can't believe this. Unbound cord cutting ritual I just said, and this is literally scary. Releasing soul patterns, contract, and past lives. Guys, I just said to you about this. So, yeah, you are carrying someone else's energy. You need to release that. I will take one more card from this deck. And I ordered a brand new deck. I will tell you something about that in the next reading. It is a surprise for you. I just told you something about hilly areas, hilly road. Number 39, 9 plus 3, 11. Okay, plan a vacation. Here we come. Thank you, Lord Bhairava. Your energy is literally. Okay, one more card because things are getting literally scary at this point. Make a meal. Guys, try to incorporate some habits which are literally healing for you. It could be anything, like which will distract your mind from all these negativity. It could be just simple as making yourself meal or just treating yourself good. That will be really good for you. But from this knife that I'm seeing, I am seeing that cutting the cord. Cut that cord. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like the reading. And this was like literally the chill kind of reading. I didn't felt any like pressure from the guides. Like messages came really well in this reading. So I hope you liked it. And also one important thing, that I have no other channel or account. So I won't ask you for money or any personal information, or will ask you to give personal readings. So if anyone telling you, you need to be aware in the comment section. So that's it. I hope you like the reading. Please do comment Jai Batuk Bhairava. We are calling upon his energy to release all the negative things, to cut all the negative cords from our life, from our energy circle. And also, if you made to this part, please make sure to stay. This is a family where we are creating really dignified souls, and you are welcome to the community. So that's it. I will see you in the next message. Till then, take care and eat healthy. That's it. Bye bye.